Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you a Flutter app I have built called Color Catch. In this video, we will walk through the pre-written code together, discussing how each part contributes to the overall functionality of the app. But first of all, let me give you a demo of this app, how it works. As you can see on the screen, this is the UI of the app currently. So here on the this select an image box, you can click and you will see two options. Either pick the images from your gallery or take picture using the camera. So first of all, let me pick an image from gallery. Now as you can see here, it will pick all these colors present in this image. You can just click on any of these color to copy this color. If you want to copy this color, just click on it and you'll be able to copy this code on your clipboard. So that's it. To reset this all of these images and color, just click on here, and same, you can just click on the camera and take a picture using your camera like this, and it will pick all the colors present in this image. Now let's dive into the code. Here we have our homepage.dart file, and this is a homepage widget. This widget is a stateful widget, allowing it to maintain its state. Here we define the list of colors and some variables to handle the image selection. The show model method displays a dialog for the user to choose an image source either from the camera or gallery. We also have copy color code, which allows user to copy the selected color code to the clipboard and shows a snack bar notification. In the get image method, we use the image picker package to pick images from the camera or gallery. After an image selected, it is stored in a image variable, and we call the pick colors from image method to extract colors. The pick colors from image method uses palette generator package to generate a palette of colors from the selected image. Now here in the build method, we set up our app's layout. We have our app bar here with title, color catch, and a reset button here. This reset button allows users to reset the image and colors. Next, we have conditional widgets that either display the selected image here, or it prompts the user to select an image. For displaying the extracted colors, we use the grid view.builder to create a grid of color cards, which allows user to tap on each cards and copy the color code. Now let's look at the image model widget. This is a custom dialog which allows user to choose from either camera or gallery. The close and execute function handles the closing of the model while executing the appropriate action based on the user's choice. Lastly, we have the color code widget. This widget takes the color and corresponding color code, displaying them in a visual appealing way. Each card shows a rectangle filled with color and the color code below it, making it making it easy for users to see and copy the desired colors. And that's it. We have explored the structure and functionality of the Color Catch app. I hope this breakdown helped you understand how to create a similar app in Flutter. I will provide you the link of GitHub repository for this code. So that's it for today. Bye. Take care.